Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And today's a great day because it's not raining, the sun's out, and I also received a modification for the Shelby GT350 that I desperately needed. So, with all that being said, let's go ahead and get a cold start. Let's go ahead and pull this bad boy out. Whenever we have a day where it's not raining out here in Houston, you gotta go ahead and utilize it. Let me tell you that right now. All right, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, neighbors, but you know, it is the afternoon now, so y'all should have been up. Woo! Warm up, pull her outside.
One eternity later.
As you can see, we got the Shelby GT350 all cleaned up. Carbon fibers doing its thing. The welds are popping, and we are ready to install a new modification I just received courtesy of our friends over at Red Tiger. Now, in this video, we are going to be installing my new F17 Elite dash cam. This dash cam is pretty cool because not only does it have a front-facing dash cam, but we also have a rear as well as in-cabin face cam dash cam as well. So all aspects are going to be protected. This is going to be offering 4K quality as well as a full night color mode, which we are going to be testing out in this video. Now, having a front and rear facing dash cam is super important, especially if you are a car enthusiast that lives in a populated city. I live in Houston, Texas, and if you know, you know, the drivers out here in Houston, Texas are absolutely horrible. Some of the worst drivers I've ever seen. I'm from Chicago, moved to Houston, and I can unfortunately say that Houston, I don't know if it's because of the air, something that's going on, it's crazy. You gotta be on a swivel 24/7. Now, if you don't believe me, not too long ago, your boy got hit by a charter bus while parked in an open parking lot. I can't believe I'm actually making this video. Whole ass parking lot. And this dipshit in this truck, in this bus, swipes my car. Like, are you kidding me? Now, if I had this F17 Elite dash cam, man, I would have had that whole ordeal recorded in 4K, and that would have been pretty interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this dash cam, get it installed to keep my Shelby GT350 protected at all times. So after you order your Red Tiger F17 Elite dash cam, you're gonna get the box as well as a bag full of necessary hardware as well as cables. You can also see that this dash cam is gonna be supporting 4K quality. We have the Starvis 2 lens as well as full night color mode. We are gonna be testing that out in this video as well. So we have everything laid out here. We have the user manual, which this dash cam actually does come with voice control as well, which is super nice. If you didn't actually notice, this is a touchscreen dash cam as well, so super helpful. Not going to actually have to press buttons. You can control it through the app, which we are going to be doing in this video. And as you can see, you do have the full hardware kit. So if you do want to hardwire your dash cam into your car, you can go ahead and do so. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into the car so we can go ahead and set this dash cam up and go for a test drive to see how everything looks, and also test out the audio, because I'm really curious to see how the audio sounds with the face cam function enabled, because that could come in handy, especially, you know what I'm saying, when we go to Mexico or just doing POV drives. That really could come in handy, come in clutch. I think it actually might be better than the GoPro, especially at night. All right, let's go ahead and get this installed before I melt, because it's actually 100 degrees out here in Houston and it's already getting hot. It's already getting hot. If you know, you know. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and place the dash cam behind the mirror here because, oh yeah, from my POV, you're not gonna be able to see anything. But if you do wanna have the face cam function, you are gonna have to have the face cam actually visible. So for sake of actually showcasing the face cam, I might go ahead and place it right here. What the hell is going on right here? I don't know who those people are. So this is why you need a dash cam, y'all, so you can like record everything. Might go ahead and place it right here. So let's go ahead and get this thing powered up. See how it looks.
A few moments later.
See, this is why you need a dash cam, because I don't know who those people are. I've never seen this Explorer, this Expedition here. Paper plates just parked up right in front of my house. What the heck is going on? All right, just plugged it up. Press the power button. Red Tiger, truly peace of mind. There we go. And you can see with the GoPro, the face cam, this actually looks really good. Man, this 4K quality legitimately looks really good. Probably gonna face the face cam here. I might just have it set up right here for the vid so you can kind of see. This quality is actually super nice. I'm actually gonna showcase both the GoPro as well as the dash cam quality. Let me know down in the comment section what you think looks better, because the dash cam, like, it actually looks really, really good, especially the face cam. I'm really, really impressed. Now what we're gonna do now is connect the dash cam to your phone so you can actually go ahead and use everything easier. So you want to download the Red Tiger app, which is going to be super, super easy to navigate. Now once you go ahead and get to this screen, you're going to want to actually go to the dash cam. You're gonna press like the gear button, obviously settings. So press settings here. It's going to quickly load and you're gonna hit Wi-Fi. Very important that you hit Wi-Fi. You can do 2.4 or 5.8. Realistically, it's not going to matter. You're gonna hit that and then you're gonna see the prompt. You're gonna want to connect the dash cam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi. And as you can see, we do have the Red Tiger Elite right now, and the password is just going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we can just go ahead and do that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Super, super easy. And just like that, everything is connecting. It's already recording cars that are passing by the house. It's going to be tracking the speed and everything. You can go ahead and capture what you want. It does come with a memory card already installed, which is super, super nice. You can see here I've already been recording a bunch of footage with this dash cam. So let's go ahead and get a drive underway.
A few moments later.
I'm praying we don't get caught in the rain. I just got the car detailed and everything. That would suck. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to the store, and we're gonna see if anybody is walking up to the car, walking around the car, doing anything weird, courtesy of the dash cam. We are protected 24/7, so catch y'all in a bit.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm back, and I forgot it's Saturday, and it's probably the worst day to go to the grocery store because they don't have anything in stock. So it is what it is. I'll catch y'all when we get back to the crib.
One eternity later.
Walking on the road, man, like what the heck? What are y'all doing? I don't know if you guys definitely saw that. Like, that's actually so with a kid, that is unbelievably dangerous. I cannot believe I just saw that. Like, what the heck? Who does that? Get a lift. Don't put a kid in danger like that. It was like a mom and a kid or whatever. I don't know what that was, but that was incredibly reckless and dangerous. I mean, this is not even a well-lit road whatsoever. Right there, man. I mean, in Houston, bro, having a dash cam, like, you need a dash cam. There's just so many nuts on the road. Even people that aren't even driving, bro, they be on some, like, crazy shit. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This Red Tiger F17 Elite dash cam is the real deal. If you want to have 4K protection in true color at night, click the link at the top of the description to save big money. Thank you, Red Tiger, for sponsoring today's video and also keeping my Shelby GT350 safe. So if you live in the Houston area or a hectic city where the roads are pretty unpredictable, Red Tiger has your back.